Got that.
You got the logo?
I got the logo?
You got the logo?
Oh wait, no, my shadow's in it.
It's upside down.
Oh.
American Modified. American Modified.
So the clips on this aren't that bad. They're actually pretty strong. I honestly think it's better than the stock grill they send on the Mustang itself. The only issue that is going to be like the biggest pain in the ass would be getting the under tray off, only because there's like a bajillion screws. So that would be your step one. I suggest having enough space because you're going to have to crawl like all the way back here. Literally. Pretty simple. You're just going to pop this off for a step, and then you're going to have, I believe it's 8 screws across the top. One is a 5.5 millimeter, stupid. 7.5 millimeter for the others, also stupid. Yeah, bro. So we took off the radiator cover. There's about, I want to say, 8 of these little clips here. So when they're in, I suggest using like a pry bar tool or like a flathead screwdriver. I prefer a flathead screwdriver. If you are more delicate with those tools, then I would suggest a flathead screwdriver. A lot easier. You just pop it up and then you put it just underneath it and pull it out. Pretty simple. Next step here is to take off these bolts here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are going to be your 5.5s at the very ends, and then your 7.5s here in the center. Alright, so step 2 is done. We've taken out all the bolts. I suggest setting them aside. Is you have to go back in here. So for, I know the 2015 to 2017 bumpers, for you to get it off the side fender, is there's like a clip, which I think is so much more easier. But for the 2018 to 2023 Mustangs, they're connected by bolts rather than clips. So like if you take off your bumper multiple times to do other upgrades to your engine bay, then they're not going to break. Take this apart, so you have to go in through the wheel well. You have to pull the wheel lining, and then you have to get back here to the 2 bolts. Those 2 bolts are 10 millimeters, and we're gonna get started on that right now. It's gonna be right in there. You see those 2 bolts in the back?
You're done.
Alright, so we got the front bumper off. Once you all you have to do with these is just pull this off the front part of the fender. And then of course undo your headlight. So there's several of these like little clips like right here. All you have to do is push these down, pull up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright.
Alright, so the center part is out. Again, just 6 clips. Now, for the actual grill, there's, I want to say like 16 clips, but you just pop it out and pull up. Let's scrape.
I think slow.
Alright, so all the clips are off. RTR is off. Alright, so this is the Mach 1 grill for the 2018 to 2023 S550 Mustang. This is sent from American Modified. You can check them out on Instagram. Their website is also linked to my bio. Alright, so you're just going to line it up, fit it, and then the clips are here. All you got to do is just push it down. It'll fit right back in place.
Does it also just clip back into place?
Yeah. Alright, so the grill's on. All we have to do is replace the bumper. And just to do that, just gonna do everything in the last steps, just do it backwards.